So far, aga-aga pag sa guys, more? So, happy birthday!
Girl.
Daddy, look at me.
What's doing that?
Happy Saturday.
Aww. I love you, Daddy. Si Kuya, si saktulog pa. Oh. Yung gawa niya. Ano yung laman? Ayaw siya na.
It's upside down. And that's what it is.
What's it say, Baba?
Let me see yan. Ito ang gawa ni Holly. Oh, my drawing. Sige, hihintay siya. Did Zach bring his?
He forgot his at home.
Oh, thanks, tall Ronnie.
Someone's in the back home. Look at the back.
Did you draw that?
No, I copied it.
That's all right. What which? Dear Dad, happy Father's Day. I hope you have a great day off from TJ. Caring, awesome, smart, cool, loving. My daddy is kind, super, ace, wise, brilliant, precious, generous, amazing, clever, brave.
Ooh, what? Good card, Kuya. Good card.
Dad.
The other one, yeah. Look at guys. Number 1, Dad. Golf. Ito yung sulat. Wow. Ayan, guys. Caring, awesome, smart, cool, loving. My dad is kind, super, wise, brilliant, number 1, fun, brave. I love you from TJ. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Oh, how about that one? Tulog pa si Sake. How about Moshi? Moshi, where is your card? Good job, Kuya. Kay Sak na iwan niya raw sa sa bahay. Hinigising niya na si Zach. Zach, what's today? Zach. Zach, what's today, Zach? Antok pa siya. Isa ko lang. Yeah, I think so.
No, I don't.
Zach. Zach, what's today? Monday. Huh? Sunday?
Yeah.
And then? It's Sunday and? You forgot? What? What's today? It's a special day today. You know? Tell me, what is it? Ito pa siya, guys. Sa cleanit niya na yung daddy niya kanina habang ako'y nag-aayos. And ininit ko na pala yung aking chocolate. Ito yung chili cinnamon. Ang sarap niya, guys. May hint talaga siya ng anghang. Ayun, oh, ang lapot-lapot niya. Ininit ko na siya. Na ano siya, nagkalat siya. So, hinugasan ko yung yung plate na yan, oh. Nagkalat kasi siya. Yeah. It's been placed. Huh? Microwave. Ano yung maingay. So, ayun guys, oh. Ang lapot niya, diba? Sarap niya. So, hugasan ko lang tong kutsara. And, biyahe na ulit tayo. Siguro mag-aan muna kami. Daan muna kami sa Asian. Okay. Good morning yung kids.
Good morning.
Did you say Happy Father's Day to Daddy? But, yeah, yung card niya nasa bahay. So, nag-stop lang kami dito. Kumuha siya dyan ng coffee niya. Oh. Ang galing ng weather, mainit. Guys, ito na kami sa may Asian grocery. Saglit lang ako. May titingnan lang ako kung mayroon sila yung hinahanap ko nung last time. Yung sesame paste siya. Ano ng weather? Oh. Masik tayo dito. Dito muna tayo sa may mga chips. Wala pa rin yung yung salt and vinegar na cracklings na gusto ni Sak. Ito masarap to. Itong banana chips. Kuha ko nito. Isa. Meron silang clover. Pero wala yung salt and vinegar na gusto ni Sak. Ito yung nagaray. Meron pa nito sa bahay. Huwag na muna. Wala talaga sila yung yung sesame paste. Mayroon kayang how about crab paste? Wala. Ang ingay nila ate. Ito na lang ko ako nitong paminta. Excuse me. Meron silang crab paste pero hindi yung yung sa atin. Try ko kaya to. Isa lang muna kasi hindi natin alam kung masarap siya. Ang kakaiba yung itsura niya. Wait lang. Ito shrimp paste. Parang para lang. Sige, isa lang muna. Wait. Meron din kasi ito. Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Ito may soya bean to. With soya bean oil. Ito. With bean oil din siya. Pareho lang naman. Ano kayang masarap? Sige, ito na lang. Hindi alam ko anong kukunin. Saan kasi yung sa atin? Wala yung sa atin eh. Kasi masarap yung atin eh. Natikman ko na yun. Wala. Wala yung paste na sesame paste. Hindi ko siya makita dito. Paano lang tayo nito? Paborito ng mga bata. Dalawahin ko na. 16 pieces siya. So, dalawa na. Kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan kami ulit babalik dito. Kasi magiging busy na si John. Tingin lang ako dito sa mga vegetables. Pero feeling ko hindi ako bibili ngayon. Kasi meron pa ako sa fridge. Marami pa akong gulay. Siguro lang. May gusto kong bawang. Yung maliliit lang siya. Wala eh. Meron pa ako nito. So, okay. Tapos na ako dito. Kunti lang yung nakuha ko dito. Ayan lang. Yan lang. Kasi meron pa akong mga gulay sa bahay eh. So, yeah. May tubo sila. Meron silang tubo. Sugarcane o. Magkano ito? $3. Sarap nitong ganun na. Kuha kayo tayo nito. Isa. May tubo. Natuwa sa tubo. Ang dami. Ayan. Siguro ko ako ng eto panlinis doon sa ko ako nito. Tapos eto, oh, etong walis. So, eto na lang ang kunin natin. Panglinis. So, yan lang yung nakuha natin dito. Tsaka yung walis tingting, tsaka walis tambo. Tsaka eto, sugarcane, tubo. So, okay, tapos na tayo dito. Thank you! So, tapos na tayo dito sa Asian store. Kumakanta si Holly. Ang init. Parang hubarin ko to.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was right.
Where are we, Han? First stop namin dito. Kuha sila ng hotdog. Nandito na sila. Open. Ah, akala ko. Automatic siya. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets daw sa kanya. Baba, it's hot there. Don't touch it. This is hot, Baba. This is hot. What are you having, Han? Nothing? Parang ang sarap nito, guys. Oh. Crackling. You're gonna have? Bacon and egg. Ito raw kay Jan. What are you having? Ah, you want that one? So, magpo-pork rolls ako. Ha? Ayan na yung nuggets niya. Careful. Okay. Are we gonna eat it here? Or we're just gonna go drive? Wala yung hotdog ni Kuya, so mag-cheeseburger na lang siya. Here ya. So, ayan, kumakain na sila. Yung akin wala pa eh. Ito na yung aking pork rolls. Maghingi ako ng ano, crackling. Ay, hindi siya ano. Nasa ano siya, para siya yung long bread. Hindi niya dinagyan ng crackling. What's that? Ah, okay. Ito yung ano, exploring the southeast of South Australia, the limestone coast. So, ito yung mga tourist spot. Yes. So, ito yung Blue Lake. Ito yung cave. Napunta na namin yan. And, ito yung lobster. How's your chicken set? Good. How's yours? Yeah?
Good. You want one?
No, I'm good. Thank you. Binibigyan ni Kuya si Holly, pero ayaw ni Holly. Kasi may nugget siya. Last one. Is it the vinegar one or spicy one? All spicy.
Mommy, what if you said I'm not your sister?
Oh, you're not a good sister, Baba. You are a good sister. Gusto kasi ni Kuya makipag-trade. Ayan, oh. So, are you a good sister now? You wanna bite those? No, thanks. Good job, Holly. Okay. Gusto kasi ni Kuya din yung nuggets. So, kailan kang nuggets, Kuya? How many nuggets you have? Two. It's your third. Si Moshi, oh. Pretending. You're full? Okay, put it there. Ako sa sasakyan ko na to kakainin. Oh, Kuya can have it. Oh, si Kuya na talagang malakas kumain. Yung mga tira-tira ng mga kapatid niya, siya ang umuubos. Which is good, para walang sayang. Good job, yeah? How about you? How many left, Baba? One more. Good job. Naubos niya. Mauubos niya pala. May isa pa siya eh.
And that is where is that
Kuya had 2. How many you have? 5.
Now 3.
Mm-hmm.
Finish.
Finish. Here's tissue, Baba. Dito na pala ako kumain ng lunch kasi hindi kami dadaan sa Kit. Yung isa yung dadaanan namin. Meningi, right? Yeah? Meningi.
No, this is the best cheeseburger I've had now.
The best cheeseburger. I know you don't like macas. Tapos na si Kuya. Okay, let's go, Papa. Kuya, can you? Okay, this one too, please. Thank you. Okay, let's go, Papa. Wait for Mommy. Wait, I'll get you tissue. Okay, come on. Let's go. Yeah, okay. So, drive ulit tayo. And si Kuya, dala-dala niya yung tirang chicken ni Sak. You right, Baba?
Got it,
Okay.
darling?
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I'll start thinking all the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer.
Last stop bago makarating sa bahay. Mag-playground muna sila. Mainit, guys. Pawis na siya. Ito yung suit niya. Yes, baby. Natulog sila. Ha?
Huh?
You yell at her. It's
Stand in the car if you're
alright.
gonna cry. Stand in the car if you're gonna cry.
Nagsambong siya.
You still crying? Get in the car.
Sinigawan daw siya ng daddy niya. Kasi sabi, wait.
Hurry up, you got this and we'll go.
Ito na sila, oh. Ang init. Pinubad ko yung aking hoodie. Kasi mainit. Pinagpapawisan. Punta na yung mga bata. Kahit mahangin, hindi siya malamig. And sila naka-jacket sila kanina. Yes! Where? Here. Baba, careful! Yee! Spin ko na siya. Ay! Okay. Spin lang natin to si Stack.
He done it to me.
Ha?
He done it to me.
Is that enough? Careful, Papa.
I cannot fit this.
That's for baby, Kuya.
I'm a baby.
Are you a baby? I thought you're a big girl.
Oh!
Oh, wait. Wait.
Get out! Get out! Car. Oh, baby car.
Oh, see? Be careful. Kuya Zach, let Holly have a toy. Okay, wait, Papa. Okay, go.
Wait, is that?
Careful. Hoy, careful.
Oh, that's it.
Where you gonna go? Oh, what happened?
I got electrocuted.
Electrocuted. Baba, ang bilis ni Holly. Careful, ah. Ah, lilinisin mo yung baba. Doon ka sa kabila. Go to the other side. You want me to spin you, Baba?
No, spinning.
No, I'm so
Big spin. I need slow spin.
Ready?
Yes. Wow.
Hold on. Just hold on, Baba. Just hold on. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Yes. Hoy, hoy. Sak. You said you want me to spin you. Oh, sorry. Sak. That's enough, Zachary. That's enough. No more. Come on, Holly. Let's go. Holly. Wala dito yung monkey bars. Okay, that's enough. Come on. Ooh, let's go, Papa. Daddy's waiting. Come on, so we can go home. Come on. Masarap maglaba ngayon kasi mainit. Okay, one more swing. Ah, no, that's the baby one here. No, 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 no. This is for baby. You're not a baby. Oh, Daddy's calling us now. Come on. Come on. Okay, ready? Hold on. 1, 2. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Si Kuya nasa sasakyan na. Okay, come on, Baba. Daddy's waiting for us. Sak, let's go. Okay, let's go, Baba. Can you jump? Oh, good job. Come on. Daddy's waiting for us now. Okay. Zach, let's go. Okay, that's enough. Come on. Siya na talaga ang active. Hurry up. Walang monkey bars eh. Okay, let's go. Okay, open, Baba. Sock, use the gate. Akit bahay itong bata. Careful. Be careful, Sock, ha? Oops.
Hi! Whoa! Whoa! Hi!
We're home! Pasok na tayo. Where are we going, Holly? We're going inside the
House!
garage.
House!
Garage. So, ayan. Naipasok na lahat ng mga gamit. And, ayan. Ang dami na naman nalabahan. Maglalabaho today. Si Kuya, inon niya na yung TV kasi. Kasi doon yung naglalaro. Ah! First quarter, Kuya.
Still
Si Sak, busy si Sak. May inaayos lang siya sa card niya. Ayan siya. Ayan yung ibibigay ang card sa daddy niya. Happy Father's Day. You're the best dad in the world. I love you, Dad. Thank you for everything. So, ayan yung kanyang sulat. Ayan yung mga drawing niya. Oh, this is Daddy. Hindi pa siya tapos mag-drawing. Oh, yan na si Daddy. It's alright, it's alright. Come on. And ayan, Happy Father's Day. Daily news. World's best dad. Okay.
Oh, I want to go.
Oh, what's this, Zach? Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Try.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
The best dad. are in the world.
You're the best
Nah,
dad
that
in the
one's-
world.
That, yeah.
I love you, Dad. Thank you for everything. Oh, my little man. Come back, come back, come daddy.
Dad, you fine?
Huliman daw yung card niya.
Fine?
Pero,
Oh, yes, sure.
maganda naman yung nakalagay. Right, Zaki boy! Ayan yung sulat niya. Pinakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, oh. How about you, Baba? So, let's close the vlog. Maglalaba ako, guys. Yun lang naman ang aking gagawin na. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next. Bye, guys. Thank you. Bye, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Happy fun! This is Santa. Stop here. Santa, can you please stop here? We've been really, really good all year. We've got milk and cookies, your favourite treat. They're sitting ready for you to eat. Guys, did you like the story? Did you, Holly? Yeah! Did you do that? Yeah?